Hey bro, you going to the show on Saturday?
Yeah, I'll be there for sure.
Guys, we suck.
Seriously, dude.
No, seriously, dude. We really suck.
Come on, Winston. Do it for the band.
I just can't take this anymore. We're not ready for the show. We can't do it. Can't do it. Not gonna do it. Wait. An idea.
I'm confused.
It smells like poop.
Nah, dude, really. It is poop.
Really, why did you put that in my face?
Evidence.
For what?
Proof.
Proof for what?
Alright, wait, some garbage. Alright, dude, so the other day, I was at home and I was playing on my guitar.
Right.
And I hit this note.
Right.
It was like a double F flat or something just grossly low.
Right.
And I crapped. I crapped in this bag. It's because
okay.
I wanted.
Okay, hold
Because
on.
I could feel it coming. Hold, listen. I could feel what was gonna happen. Like I knew in my heart I was gonna crap in this bag. So I ran and I got it because I knew you guys wouldn't believe me unless you saw the turd.
Right. But
I.
so you mean to tell me you hit a double F flat and you just happen to feel like you're gonna poop and you decide to go get a bag and you poop in the bag and bring it over here and put it in my face?
Well, if you don't believe me, I'll show you.
Well, but before
But
you really wait. What makes you think I have to smell it with the poop in it?
We're on a tour. We're doing a tour.
Alright, no, you can poop in a bag, but I can't burn it.
Wow. Hey guys, hold your butts.
You ready?
I told you so. I told you so. Told you. Alright, dude. Now listen. I've got this idea, and look, hear me out. I want to do it at the show.
I don't know, dude.
Who's next? Well, I really, perfectly honest, boys, we suck as it is. So if we're gonna do a show, we might as well just make everybody just get them. Just get them all. Yeah, let's do it. Make them poop.
You seen the drummer?
No, I think he's already inside. Where's the drummer?
I don't know. I think they got him.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, what are we gonna do?
Oh, thank God that was just a dream.
Oh. Let's get him. out.